afternoon. Welcome to Greensboro, North Carolina, home of Carolina Aircraft. I'm George Johnson, the Bonanza Man, and today we're here to show you a beautiful, very low time, 1981 model Beechcraft Baron 58P, November 158 Tango Tango. Let's take a look. November 158 Tango Tango is one of the lowest total Baron 58Ps in existence. Total time on this airplane is only 2,215 hours since factory new. It also has no damage history, and the engines are very low total time too. The right engine has about 568 since factory reman. The left engine has about 468 since factory reman. And both of these engines have the turbo GAMI injectors installed. November 158 Tango Tango has 3-blade Hartzell hot props. In addition to that, it has the low thrust detector system, which will detect low thrust on an engine on takeoff and alert the pilot. This makes the airplane a little safer. 158 Tango Tango is equipped with VGs. These lower your stall speed and velocity of minimum control, or VMC, and make the airplane a much safer airplane. In addition to this, the airplane is equipped for flight into non-ice. It has de-ice boots, which are in very good condition. It has hot props, and it has a heated windshield segment. November 158 Tango Tango has very nice paint and very nice interior. Although the airplane was repainted in 1998, it has been hangared and is in excellent condition. Over the years, the airplane has had a lot of great maintenance. For instance, all of the windows and windshield have been replaced at one time. The airplane has the tinted window inner panes by G&D Aerospace, and it's in very good cosmetic condition. Really looks nice. November 158 Tango Tango has had a lot of great maintenance. The gear motor has been overhauled in the past. The artificial horizon has been overhauled. The autopilot servos have been overhauled. The wing bolts have been replaced. A lot of great maintenance like that. So this airplane is in very good condition and a very nice, low-time, clean Baron 58P with no damage history. The Baron 58P is a fantastic performer. It's one of the fastest airplanes in its class. This airplane will go to 25,000 feet. It's pressurized, air-conditioned, and certified for flight into non-icing. At 25,000 feet, you can get around 250 knots out of the airplane. So this airplane, depending on your altitude, will cruise between 200 knots and 250 knots. November 158 Tango Tango is pressurized and air-conditioned. Therefore, the cargo door or passenger door for the back is on the opposite side of the airplane from a regular Baron 58. And this is like a bank vault door since the airplane has a pressure vessel. Let's take a look. November 158 Tango Tango has a beautiful interior. Look at the condition of the seats and the side walls, the windows, the cabin table, the headliner. This airplane looks almost like new in the back, and the front has sheepskin covers on it, so the front seats have been covered up. The Baron 58P is a very comfortable and spacious interior. I'm almost 6 feet tall, and I've got plenty of leg room, plenty of headroom, and it's almost like sitting in an easy chair in my living room at home. It's very comfortable with the armrest and table and everything. November 158 Tango Tango has a beautiful instrument panel with a lot of nice equipment. Let's take a look at the panel on the pilot's side. Here's your instrument air gauge, and then your airspeed indicator, and then your artificial horizon, and your altimeter. On the second row, we have your 2-minute turn coordinator, and this is your RMI that has your ADF indicator and also a pointer to your number 1 or number 2 nav. It has a King KCS 55A slaved HSI that houses your number 1 nav or your number 1 GPS. And this is your vertical speed indicator. Here below your artificial horizon is your low thrust detector system, And this lets the pilot know if one of the engines is not developing full power, especially important on takeoff. Below this is your autopilot, and this airplane is equipped with a King KFC-200 autopilot flight director slaved HSI system that will shoot a fully coupled ILS approach or follow your GPS. You'll notice this also has King yaw damp. This is the indicator for your number 2 nav, and then we have a King KRA-10 radar altimeter. On your prop controls, you have your low thrust detector indicators, as you can see here, and this lets the pilot know which engine is developing low thrust if the engine is not developing full power. You'll notice that you have your engine gauges above this, and we have a digital fuel flow as well. Now let's take a look at the avionics stack. At the top we have the Garmin GMA340 audio panel with your 3 light marker beacons and your built-in 6-place intercom system. Below this we have your Bendix RDR160 color radar, and then we have your Garmin 530W with WAAS, and the airplane also has active traffic. We have a traffic page, and then we have terrain, and you'll notice when the terrain comes up it'll show red because we're on the ground. And then we have your information pages and your satellite pages. Below this we have your King KX165 Navcom, and it's a digital flip-flop Navcom. And then we have your King KR8780F with dual frequency displays and dual timers, and this also has an RMI. And then we have a King GTX 327 new generation transponder. To the right of the avionics stack, we have a prop amps gauge for your hot props. And then we have the JPI EDM760 graphic engine monitor that monitors all 6 cylinders on both engines. And then we have your de-ice pressure for your de-ice boots. And below this we have your standby electric artificial horizon and your standby encoding altimeter. Below these we have your engine gauges, your oil pressure, your oil temperature, and your cylinder head temperature gauges for both engines. The aircraft is equipped with prop sync, and to the right of the prop sync is your pressurization system and gauges, and you'll notice the airplane is also equipped with factory air conditioning. 158 Tango Tango is also equipped with Rosen sun visors, and it has a vertical card compass system and a heated windshield segment. And the windshield and windows are relatively new. They've been replaced in the past, and they're in very good condition. Now let's take a look at the pilot's control wheel. We have a mic button in the front, an autopilot disconnect button on top, a control wheel steering button, and then the airplane is equipped with electric trim, and this is your trim switch. In the center we have a control wheel clock, which doubles as an approach timer. And then on the right hand side of the control wheel we have a map light, and this puts a light in your lap, a light in your outside air temperature gauge, and a light in your compass. If you want one of the nicest, lowest time Baron 58Ps on the market, you need to visit Carolina Aircraft in Greensboro, North Carolina, and see November 158 Tango Tango. This airplane only has 2225 total time since new. Very low time factory reman engines, excellent maintenance, no damage history, very nice paint and interior, upgraded Garmin avionics with the Garmin GMA340 audio panel, a Garmin 530W Navcom GPS with WAAS, a GTX 327 transponder, 9900BX TCAD active traffic, the King KFC-200 autopilot flight director slaved HSI system with yaw damp, and a lot of other great equipment like VGs. It's certified for flight into known icing. It's pressurized and turbocharged. It has the turbogami injectors, and is just a very nice airplane. Come see us in Greensboro, North Carolina, or give us a call at 336-665-0300, and be sure to visit CarolinaAircraft.com to see this beautiful Baron 58P and all of our other nice Barons and Bonanzas. Have a great day.